Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn electrical engineering on your own. Start by building a strong foundation in physics, especially electricity and magnetism, and essential math like calculus. Then, dive into basic circuit theory, understanding concepts like voltage, current, and resistance. Online platforms offer excellent courses, and classic textbooks provide in-depth knowledge. Consistency is key to grasping these core principles effectively. Next, familiarize yourself with common electronic components like resistors, capacitors, and inductors, understanding their functions. Gain practical experience by using circuit simulation software, for example, LT-Spice, to design and test circuits virtually. Hands-on practice is crucial. Begin building simple circuits on a breadboard with an affordable starter kit to see theory come to life. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned through projects. Start with small, manageable builds like an LED flasher or a basic audio amplifier. These projects reinforce concepts and develop problem-solving skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Troubleshooting and debugging your circuits are invaluable learning experiences that will significantly enhance your understanding. Finally, expand your knowledge into more advanced areas like microcontrollers, digital signal processing, or power electronics, depending on your interests. Engage with online communities and forums. They are fantastic resources for asking questions, sharing ideas, and finding inspiration. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help you out. Continuous learning and experimentation are vital for growth in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.